welcome to Inspired to DIY. If you're here for the first time, it's so great that you're here, and if you're returning, thank you for being back. In today's video, I'd like to share how I was able to make an entryway table using a box. Stay tuned for the end result and let's get into it. This is the box I'll be using and it's double corrugated, which is really strong, and I'll go ahead and get it ready. To begin, I'll go ahead and remove two of the flaps opposite from each other, as the two remaining flaps will be used for doors. I added the two flaps that I previously removed for support for the inside of the box. For additional support, I'll be using those walls that I got from paper towels, and I'll put them on each of the corners of the box. I will also use those that I usually get from my shipment boxes, and I'll put them where each of the two sides of a box meet. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you're here for the first time, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next DIYs. And now we have all the support that our box needs. To cover the inside, I'll be using this poster board for the back of the box, and later on I'll also use contact paper and white acrylic paint. I'll be using this glossy white Rust-Oleum paint for the remaining parts that are not covered. Cover the outside of the box, I'll also use poster board and put all around it. For the side that will be the top of the table, I'll go ahead and use this strong foam board. Outside is covered, I'll go ahead and use this white contact paper and put all around the box as well. Self-adhesive paper can be really tricky to work with, so I go ahead and peel this section at a time until I cover my whole box. For the flaps that will make our doors, I'll go ahead and use a stronger foam board and cut it into size. Once my two sides were made, I will be covering them using this gray contact paper. On the flaps, I'll go ahead and use the liquid nail as well as hot glue. create a more intrigued design on the front, I'll be using the silver placemat that I got from Amazon. I'll place it in the center and cut it in half so the doors can still be open. I had previously made an end table using a gold placemat, and to find this video, you can go ahead and check down the description box below. To my design, I'll be using an additional placemat that I'll cut into 4 sections so I can put in the corners of each of the doors. Each of the pieces into smaller sections so they wouldn't take as much space on the door. Use the self-adhesive diamond wrap to put around the border of the doors. And to complete the design, I went on and added additional details. For the legs, I'll be using those tumblers that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'll go ahead and paint them with this silver metallic spray paint. Once they were dry, I added some diamond wrap around the borders to give it a more interesting look, and I will glue them to the base of my table using liquid nail and also hot glue. I'll be using those mirrors that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'll glue them with liquid nail and also hot glue. And added an additional mirror and did not remove the frame this time. For the handles of the door, I'll be using the styrofoam. I cut them into 2 equal parts. I cover the end with clear tape, and later on I'll be adding diamond wrap around them. used the silver napkin ring to add the styrofoam to the doors. And this completes the entryway table. It turned out so beautiful. I really love the design of the placemat. It gives us an additional look, and the silver is popping, how the diamond wrap just frame the whole door, makes it really beautiful and vibrant. I hope you guys did enjoy this project. If so, go ahead, give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of my next project. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.